In this exercise, we're going to share with you what are common mistakes people make when writing scripts, and as well as how to debug the scripts systematically. I have pre-written a script called readname.sh. You can take a look at the content of the readname.sh. Now you notice that the line number is not displayed using the cat command. Or to display the line number, you can use the NL command, which will spell out the line number as well as content of the script. So what this script does is to get user to input the first and the last name and store inside the variable fn and ln, and check whether the last name of user input is equal to Tan or equal to Lim. If not, print out that the last name is neither Tan nor Lim. Let's try running the script. You have this error, permission denied. So you check the permission of the file readname.sh, and you notice that this file does not have executable permission. So you can grant executable permission for the user by doing a chmod u plus x on the file itself. Check again. Now you can see that the file has read-write executable for user. So user should be able now to run the readname.sh. Okay, I'm going to enter John Tan. So the script function as it should be. Now I'm going to make the script arrow purposely. Sorry, it should be readname.sh. Say for example, if you forgot to put in a slash in front of the bin, save the file, and you try running the script again. This is the error you'll get. You get a bad interpreter because the script is trying to look for bin/bash, but it cannot find. So let's put back the slash. Now what happens if you forget to close the quote? You have opened the quote here, but you forgot to close it. Let's see what's the error you will get. Clear screen. Let's try to run it again. So you get this line 18 unexpected end of file while looking for matching quotes, and line 20. Let's do nano minus C, and you put back the quotes. Now nano minus C will display the line number in the nano screen. As I move up and down using the arrow key, you can see the line number being changed. Okay. Now if example you forgot to put a space after the if or after the square bracket, let's see what's the error you encounter. Slash, I'll put John Tan again. So you can see that now report line 6, the if statement there, command not found. So it's important that you leave a space after the if and a space after the opening square bracket or the close bracket. So if we trace back, we put back the square bracket, space, opening, and space again. Now what happened if we forgot the fi, forgot to close the if loop? Let's see what error we'll get. Okay, let's try run the script. You enter John Tan, you'll get syntax error, line 20 unexpected end of file. If you take a look at line 20, actually there's no line 20. It happens when you forgot to close the code, or you forgot to close a if or for or while loop. Okay, let's close back the loop. Control X, yes, and try running the program again. John Lim. Now your script function properly again. Take a look at the script again. Okay, let's have one more error. Rename.sh. Now what happened if we misspell the variable name? We declare variable ln as capital letter ln, but in here we have a small letter ln. Okay, let's run the script. John Lim. You get a unary operator unexpected. That means you declare something wrongly inside there. Let's take a look. So when you have a variable declared wrongly or misspelled, because variables are case sensitive, you get a unary operator expected kind of error. Try running the script again. John Lim. There you go. Your script is now running properly again. This ends the demo session. In this exercise, we're going to learn how to debug scripts systematically and share with you what are the common mistakes that people make when writing scripts. Now, I pre-written a script called readname.sh, and this is the content of the readname.sh. It's supposed to ask user for their first and last name and store inside the variable fn and ln. And if the last name is Tan, you'll say his last name is Tan. If last name is Lim, you'll say last name is Lim. It's neither Tan nor Lim, then you'll just say that the last name is neither Tan nor Lim. Let's try running the script. Permission denied. Check the permission of the script. As you can see, the permission is only read-writable but not executable for the user. So simply just change to be executable for the user by doing u plus x on the readname.sh. We should be able to run the script now. We got another error that say bin/bash bad interpreter, no such file or directory. Let's take a look at the file itself and check which line has the bin/bash. It looks like it's only the first line. Why does it give you the error? It's simply because we forgot to put the slash in front of the bin and it cannot find the path /bin/bash. So what do we do? Simply edit the file, readname.sh, and add a slash in front of the bin. It should be able to find the path /bin/bash now. Control X, save. Clear the screen and we try running the script again. Okay, asking me for the first and last name. I can say John Tan. Now you can see the slot error that's spilling out on line 6 and 7. Let's try to locate line 6. You can do an NL read name.sh, we just spill the content with the line number, but you won't be able to edit. It's line 6. So this part here. Okay, if I look at line 6, it says that if, so it's most likely referring to this at line 4 instead. So look at the line in between line 1 to line 6. Alright. Okay, let's try to edit the file. Nano -c rename .sh. -c will give you the line number in Nano editor. Okay, let's move down to, as you can see, if I move the arrow down, the line number will reflect which line I'm at. Okay, I think there's no G here. Now, there's an error here because after the if, there should be a space, then square bracket followed by a space. Okay, let's see if this solves the problem by doing Ctrl X. Yes. Try running the script again. Again, I'm going to put John Tan. Now it says line 18 and line 20. If I do nl rename.sh, there's in fact no line 18 and 20. Usually this happens when there's a missing opening code or ending code that you have misplaced. So it says that unexpected end of file while looking for matching double colon or single quote double colon or single quote. Now this one we have to trace line by line. Alright, it's usually harder to trace, but look at the echo. You can see that this line 6, there's an opening quote, but there was no ending double quote. Now let's do nano -c rename.sh and try to end it with a double quote. Save it. Okay, we should try running it again. Again, we put in John Tan. Line 20, unexpected end of file again. Now the reason why is because we forgot the space between the echo and the opening double quote. Let's try nano the file again. And have a space between the echo and the double quote. Save the file. And let's try running again. John Tan. Nope. Unexpected line error. There's still some error there. Let's take a look. We have an unexpected end of file again. Let's nano the file again. It says at the end. Now I see that there's an opening if, but we forgot to close it with a fi to close the if loop. Let's try running the program again. Line 6, some problem with line 6. Let's take a look by editing the file again at line 6. Line 6. Oops. Here you see we have a L and a small letter N, whereas in the variable we declare as capital letter. So I'm suspecting this is the problem. Let's try editing the file. So variable are case sensitive. If we declare as capital, they should be in capital, word for words, letter for letters. Okay, let's try saving it. And let's run the script again. John Tan. Okay, there you go. So it's important once again to clarify that, or to emphasize that spacing is important, correct spelling and path is important. So every time you have a if, remember to have a space before you close or open each square bracket, and after echo there should be a space, and if you have an opening code you should end with a ending code, and your variable is case sensitive. That's all for this demo.